Hey guys, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. I've got a very special 1962 Chevrolet C10 Restomod for you. This thing's got an LQ9 6-liter underneath the hood that's been freshened up. It's got a BTR Stage 4 cam, a few other nice goodies on it, which we'll get to once we get underneath the hood. You've got some upgraded high-end shot wheels, big brakes, a ton of modifications suspension-wise, which we'll get to later on in the video. But let's get started up front here. As you can see, this truck is finished in a beautiful light blue with the white top, and it looks fantastic. You got brand new chrome bumper and grille. This truck went through a complete frame-off restoration, and this thing is a showstopper, guys. This is one beautiful truck. The paint looks really, really nice on this truck. You've got that beautiful chrome trim down the side with the white in the middle that looks really, really nice. As we work our way around the side of the truck here, your gap on your hood is nice and even there. You've got the 20-inch shot wheels, which are really nice. They are a two-piece wheel that looks really good on this truck. You've got your C10 badge here on the side of the fender as well. All new glass, all new trim. The weather stripping here on the wing window looks fantastic. Your chrome mirror looks beautiful. The white paint on this truck really sets it off, and it looks fantastic. Chrome door handles. You still got the cap here, but the gas tank has been moved to the back of the bed here. This is a great place to hide your trickle charger if you want. We've seen that on a couple other trucks we have here, but the paint and body work on this truck is really, really nice. As we work our way down the side of the bed here, it's nice and straight. You've got a 12-inch wide wheel out back here, and as you can see, you do have some really big MFG brakes here. They're 6-piston all the way around, and they are really sharp-looking brakes. They look really, really sporty. As we work our way around the back side of the truck here, tailgate looks really nice. You've got some LED tail lights, brand new chrome bumper, and as you can see, that aluminum fuel tank back here in the back as well. Another cool thing in the back of this truck is you have the white bed. It's been painted white. It's wood. Looks really nice, ties in with the white on the truck. You've got really wide tubs to be able to fit those big wide tires and rims out back as well. This truck is also supporting QA1 suspension on it that really helps you get the stance and the ride quality that you're looking for in a C10 Restomod. But guys, let's go ahead and work our way back up front so I can show you that LS under the hood. All right, guys, check out the LQ9 underneath the hood. It's essentially an LS motor. It's just the truck motor version, so it is an iron block, but that's not a negative. That's actually a positive in my book. It's a little bit stronger block than an aluminum block. A little bit heavier, but not much. You're talking about 100 pounds there. You've got the really nice Holley valve covers there that hide up the coil packs that say Chevrolet on them. The whole motor is done in black, so it gives it a really sleek look, and it matches the engine bay here. You also have upgraded CVF front runner kit there that looks really nice. It's been all upgraded. AC and everything on this truck works fantastic. This truck here is making around 450 wheel horsepower, guys, so plenty of power, and that's running through a 6L70 transmission, which shifts really, really nice. You've got some upgraded hood hinges here as well that look really good, custom radiator, red top battery, and I really like that they dressed this engine up to look like a small block Chevy. It just fits the build, but yet you get the reliability and the power of the LS style motor. You also have the Willwood master cylinder there as well to help get everything to the brakes up front and to the rear to help this thing stop. But overall, a fantastic engine bay that looks really good, but is also functional. I would not hesitate to drive this truck to California, guys. But let's go ahead and wrap this up, and let's move to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, guys, check out this beautiful interior. The interior was done by Iron Resurrections. They did a fantastic job all the way from the custom bench seat to the custom tan paint inside here that looks really nice. You've got an I Did It steering column with a retro style steering wheel that looks really nice. You got double weaved carpet. You've got custom door panels here as well. Dakota digital gauges, retro sound system, vintage AC. You've got two 10-inch subs behind the seat to let you hear your music nice and good when you're doing some cruising around town. But overall, a fantastic interior for a fantastic truck, guys. But let's get to my favorite part, and let's go take this one for a drive. Yep. All right, guys, we're cruising in the C10, and so far I'm very impressed. I have to say, in the 4 years that we've been in business, this has got to be one of my favorite C10s, if not my favorite. This thing is just so dialed in, from the QA1 suspension to the LS motor or LQ9 underneath the hood. It's just a perfect balance, and the 6-speed automatic transmission makes this thing a blast to drive. You got all the gears for all the right driving conditions, and then when you do get on it, it just hauls butt because it finds that right gear. You've got the vintage AC, you got hot heat, cold air, you got the Dakota digital gauges that are really cool to look at. You've got these really nice cup holders here that you can put your drinks in when you want. But like I said earlier, with this LS motor, it's probably one of my favorite things in the truck. It just makes it a pleasure to drive, and when you want to and you want to get down on it, it will haul ass. It gets down, guys. We were just doing 100 there. Hopefully I didn't pass a cop. But overall, a fantastic driving truck, guys. I would not hesitate to drive this thing to California from Georgia. It is just an excellent driving truck. The suspension is super dialed in and has a really nice drive, and it just looks super badass too. But guys, let's get back to the shop, put this one up on the lift so I can show you what's under the bottom. Hey guys, we got the C10 back from that exciting test drive. As you can tell, this is one nice truck underneath here. We've got full QA1 suspension up front with double adjustable coilovers. You got tubular A-arms. You can see those big brakes from the backside here. So plenty of braking power, no issues with that. As you can see on the bottom of your LQ9, it's nice and dry. You got some long tube headers here to dual exhaust all the way out the back with some MagnaFlow mufflers. Sounds really nice. It's not overly loud, but definitely has a really nice sound to it. As we walk on back, you can see that your frame's in nice, clean condition. It's all painted in black paint. You also have these tubular trailing arms to get some really good strength to the rear end here. And you've got a 9-inch rear end with 373 gears out back. This is a custom fab 9-inch, and you also have an adjustable panhard bar here to get everything aligned up nicely. Your frame has been C-notched here, so when you have a lower truck like this, you want it to be C-notched so you're not hitting the bump stop, so it gives you plenty of clearance for the rear end to travel, and that's one way you can get that nice stance in the back like you have on this beautiful truck. You also have an upgraded aluminum gas tank here that has the pump inside, so that helps get the fuel all the way up to the LS engine up front. But overall, a beautiful truck, guys, and like I'm telling you, the video does not do this truck justice. It drives amazing. It looks fantastic. If you guys are interested in this truck, I suggest giving us a call right away because I do not see this one lasting long. It might end up in my garage if it stays here long enough. But guys, give us a call at 770-738-7111. If you need help with shipping or financing, just give us a call. We can help you with either one of those. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We work hard on these videos for you guys. But till the next time, we'll catch you later.